Welcome. If you're ready to say goodbye to Roblox and want to permanently delete your account using your mobile device, you're in the right place. In this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through the updated process for 2025 so you can remove your Roblox account for good. First, make sure you're logged into the Roblox app on your phone. Once you're in, look at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap the three dots labeled More. This will open up a menu with several options. Next, scroll down and tap on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, find and select Privacy and Content Restrictions. This section controls your account's privacy and content settings. Now, scroll down until you see Account Deactivation and Deletion. Tap on this option. Here, you'll notice two choices, one to deactivate your account temporarily and another to delete it permanently. If you're sure you want your account gone forever, tap on Initiate Account Deletion. Roblox will ask you to confirm your decision. Remember, deleting your account is permanent. You'll lose all your progress, items, Robux, and you won't be able to use the same username again. If you're absolutely certain, follow the prompts to confirm your choice. After you confirm, your request for account deletion will be submitted. Roblox may ask for additional verification to make sure you're the rightful owner of the account. Once everything is confirmed, your account will be permanently deleted and cannot be recovered. That's it. You've now taken all the steps to permanently delete your Roblox account on mobile. If you ever change your mind before the process is complete, reach out to Roblox support as soon as possible. Otherwise, your account will be gone for good. Thank you for following along. If this guide helped you, consider sharing it with others who might need it. Goodbye, and best of luck with your next adventure.